To use the voice recorder app on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is easy. You're going to begin by navigating to the app screen, and then you're going to scroll down and look for the voice recording app and select it. From here, you're then going to give the necessary permissions, such as access to recording and all sorts of things. And then once you do give the necessary permissions, you can now start using the voice recorder. Now you can switch to viewing your voice recordings when you tap on this list icon like so, and you should be able to now see your voice recordings listed here. Now you can go ahead and just start recording and then say whatever it is that you wanted to say. You can pause and then resume. You can then just tap on stop and the recording should now be saved. So you can see here it's been successfully listed. You can go ahead and select it and tap to listen to the voice recording. Then it will also be uploaded to your phone, so you can go ahead and listen to it from your phone as well. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.